This is my homemade aioli. Creamy, garlicky, ready in minutes, and it goes with pretty much everything. To make it, you'll need a stuffed blender. Add 1 garlic clove, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a quarter cup of soy milk. Soy milk contains natural emulsifiers, which help the sauce thicken beautifully. Blend until the garlic is fully mixed in. Then, with the blender running, slowly begin to pour in half a cup of oil. Olive oil or refined sunflower oil work great here. After a minute or two, you'll see it transform into a dense, creamy sauce. That's it. Done. Thick, smooth, and honestly, dangerously delicious. It is quite calorie-dense, but since it's packed with flavor, a little goes a long way. This aioli makes a perfect addition to any meal. Bon appetit!